All right, so we have a new report in Uber stock has been falling drastically since the earnings report just came out, and also since Uber drivers have been striking like crazy. There's so many factors that are going into play which is causing this stock. You know, if you take a look at the past couple months since February, which is the past February, March, April, May, the stock has just been falling like massively. And even look in the past month alone. Why is the Uber stock continually crashing, falling? It's almost, you know, since the past month, if you invest in Uber, you know, I feel bad for you because so many drivers are fed up, and Uber, the CEO, is making an absolute fool of himself, and he's so out of touch with drivers. Him having a net worth over 200 million, making money off the backs of people who live not even paycheck to paycheck, but day to day ride. I've heard people saying, I'm living ride to ride. I can't even afford my next gas on my next Uber ride. Before I jump in, I wanted to tell you guys about an amazing opportunity to start making money right here on YouTube by creating a faceless YouTube channel. This is something that I've been doing for over 5 years now. I've already taught so many people how to do it in my personal life, and I want to help teach you how to do it too, okay? I personally have been making over, look at this guys, this is just my YouTube earnings so far this year. It's only May, and I've brought in over $57,000. And this is only on one channel, so over 10 grand a month. Last year, over 125,000 bucks on one channel. I have other channels too, who also bring in. And look at this, some days bringing in over $1,000 in a single day. It's crazy. So you don't need to show your face. You don't need a following. You don't need any experience. If you click the link below, there is a 54-minute video where I guide you how to create your own channel. We also have a group chat there. I will be guiding you. And I know so many of you guys can do it. Put in the work and actually do it, right? You guys are hardworking. I know you guys. And you're entrepreneurial. You have that thing in your brain that wants to, you know, escape. So right now, since it's new, I created a 30-day free trial so you can sign up, try it out. If you don't like it, you can leave, but I challenge you to stay in there because I'm gonna be pushing you and challenging you and giving you guys advice and the steps you need to take, everything you need to do to get monetized and start making money. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme. You will not get rich overnight. You gotta put in the time and the effort, the heart. This is something that I did when I first started doing YouTube. I used to do it just at night after my full-time job, and I was a full-time student. And I started doing this just at night, and it worked for me. So, you know, if you have time, this is for you. Or if you're kind of low on time, but you just have maybe a couple hours a day, this could be for you too. Link below to that. Otherwise, look at this. Uber Sync says gross bookings miss estimates. Investment charges drive net loss. Uber stock fell sharply in pre-market trading Wednesday following the release of first quarter results. Revenue met estimates while gross bookings fell short. People are not ordering Ubers as much. I wonder why. I think people are fed up. I personally am not ordering Ubers anymore. I'm not driving for Uber anymore. I switched to Lyft quite a while ago already. I just don't like the company Uber, and also, by the way, I don't know if you guys heard, but there's a new competitor in town. Well, a couple of them. Number one, that Canadian one, it actually looks pretty legit. It's called Hover. They're paying drivers 100% of the fares. And I'm assuming as they, you know, get better, they will expand to America. But it's a membership-based ride. This is actually it. It's called Hover. And I made a video about this, and I kind of stuck it to them a little bit because I really like what they're doing, but they're charging drivers a $20 monthly membership fee. And I said, well, you shouldn't do that. But a lot of drivers here commented saying, I would happily pay the $20 a month membership fee. It says on-demand rides, Toronto's latest rideshare. So obviously they're starting, when you start a new app like this, rideshare is a double-sided marketplace, right? You need drivers, you need passengers. You cannot go nationwide because you run into the issue where you'll have a passenger sign up, but there's not a driver to complete the other side. So you have to target specific areas first. in order to be successful, or a driver will sign up and there's no passengers. Like, you have to go market by market, and then that way you start spreading. The other one is Tesla. Tesla will be launching their app in less than 3 months, in August 8th. And that could also put a major, I wouldn't be surprised if they take a lot of profit share, or a lot of market share from Uber and Lyft. So, and the other thing is that Uber's pay has gone down. We saw that in 2013, Uber Eats drivers earned 15% less than they had in previous years. And that's from a study from Gridwise, which they have data because it's like a driver assistant app. So they literally have drivers who link their accounts to Gridwise so they can track your earnings and do your taxes and everything for you. So they have all that data. So that's, oh crap, I just spilled. Anyways, so yeah, Uber stock is falling, and then also with the minimum wage rising in California to $20 an hour for fast food restaurants who have over 60 locations, a lot of drivers are leaving now. So there's not as many drivers on the road because they're just going to work at Chick-fil-A or In-N-Out and making 20 an hour profit. So anyways, really interesting time that we're in right now. Please, again, check out my link below to the YouTube channel, Faceless YouTube channel program, to take advantage of that 30-day free trial that will be ending very soon. I just have that open for the first 100 people, and then I'll close that off. And then here and there, I'll open it, but I just want to make sure we have people in the group so that it's really engaged, and there's people giving each other feedback and stories and helping each other out, because this is YouTube, right? And becoming an entrepreneur, it's hard to do by yourself. It really is. So I want to be that person, that mentor for you, and be like, hey, you're doing a good job, keep it up. Or hey, that YouTube video, here's something I would do differently. I'm all about positive reinforcement and providing constructive criticism, but I'll never be like, hey, that video sucks. I will always say, hey, this is what I liked about the video, this is what I didn't like, this is what you can do better. So again, you saw on my page, on one of my YouTube channels, this was last year in 2023, bringing in over $120,000, and this is just my page right now, you can see it loading. This year so far, 57K. This month here, over 10,000 bucks. This month, 30,000 bucks. This is just on one page, guys. So check out the link below if you'd like to try it out. Love to see you there. Otherwise, thanks for watching. We'll talk soon.